to my YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Kibet from Cherryflex Rattan. Now, today I have two important tools I decided that I have to share with you. These two are the Tolsen brand. One is the normal drill, and then the second one is the impact drill driver. Now, both of these tools are all 12 volts. Now, I wanted to explain to you shortly what the difference between these two tools. This one can drive normal screws. It can also drive drill bits. The difference between now this one and this one now is called an impact drill driver. This one drives screws with concave blows. Yeah, so it can be able to drive very long screws as compared to this easily. Now, the other difference is this one has a keyless shank, and this one has a collet. So I'll briefly show you how I use these tools. Now, let me demonstrate to you how I'm going to use this one to drive the screw and how I'm going to use this other one. So it's very simple. As I said, this is the collet. What I'm going to show you is how you have it fixed inside. You just pull the collet up, and then that's how you remove the screw. Then you just place it inside, and it's completely fixed. Now, when this thing is powered, it has some certain noise. Usually, the purpose of that noise is to blow down the screw. Okay, let me show you a brief way of how it works. So this is my piece of wood. Then this is how it works. So you can notice, you can hear the noise, so you just press it firmly and that's how it goes. So now this is the impact driver. That's how you drill the screws. Now when you come to this one now has the keyless chunk. So you just, okay, you go this way, then so you can see there's a major difference here. Okay, now get to notice the difference. This one does not have it doesn't use blows when you're trying to drill in the screw. So notice the difference here. Just place the screw there. Notice it doesn't use those blows as I was telling you. And then again, you can be able to adjust the torque. This one is between 1 to 18. And then another thing that it has, you can change the speed. If you want it to go faster, that's on number 2. If you want it to go if you want it to go slower, this is how you do it. That one is on 1. So anyway, that was a very brief discussion of how we use these tools. Now, another thing I wanted to tell you is these ones are more light duty. There's also for the 12-volt battery, 24 volts. This one is only 12 volts. So if you want to recharge it, it has the charging port here. So thank you so much, and I encourage you guys to continue liking and sharing our YouTube channel. You'll get to see more of what we do here. Thank you so much, and God bless.